Pharaoh's legacy is now live on Rollercoin, an awesome progression event with loads of power. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, Rollercoin now back with another awesome progression event called Pharaoh's Legacy. On my screen here you can see my home screen and my room, and here it is, Pharaoh's Legacy. So I've already actually done this. You've received all rewards. If I go to the game section here, you can see that clearly. So if you click on more details, normally here you'd have the points, but I'm going to run through those anyway. It was 550 points to get to a higher difficulty level in a game. And here, as you can see, it is the Crypto Gypt Mirage at 5.3 whopping petahash per second that you can actually earn if you get all the miners in this progression event, which is 31 levels. Okay, so this is at level 31, and this is the rare Crypto Gypt Mirage. Okay, so that's going to give you 5.3 petahash per second, and I'll be going in more detail of what you will get as bonuses as well. At the time of recording this video, there's still 2 days, 23 hours and 34 minutes left, so that's practically 3 days. You've got until Monday, the 25th of March, to be able to get all the rewards in the Pharaoh's Legacy progression event. So, like I always like to do, I'm going to open up Pharaoh's sheet. Thank you, Pharaoh, again for providing these sheets when new progression events are out. And I'll go into the details of the miners and all the rewards that you can earn during this progression event. Okay, so starting from level 1, we'll get the season token and you can get 15 RST. Okay, there's the event passes as well, which will help you get through the season rewards as well. So you can actually get those event pass EXPs there. There's 10 EXP, there's 30 EXP, there's even 65 EXP at level 10. You can see loads of racks here, 5% at level 11 with the biohazard rack 8, so you don't need to get too far into the progression event in order to get that rack there. You've also got the Anubis, and you've got the Anubis uncommon here as well, and even the rare further down as well. Here you've got the common ones that you can merge, and then you can obviously merge those two as well, but I would keep them because they've all got some form of bonus. So potentially here I would probably just sell off one of these since I'm going to have another one there. Okay, there's the Swedish Miracle rack at level 19 with a 6% bonus. Jungle King, which is the legendary type here, so we do have a couple of legendary ones, even the Bit Ace here with 0.65%. You've got 0.61% there and almost 800 terahash with the Jungle King. You've got a rare Bit Ace as well, so you're getting quite a few Bit Aces here, all with different bonuses and power. Okay, so if you put this legendary Bit Ace on your rack, and if it's like a rack with a 14% bonus, it's going to give you even more power here. Okay, you're going to get 0.65% attached to that miner as well, and you've got the other ones. You don't need to put them on your rack because these bonuses here still apply if the miner is in your inventory. At least that is how it is so far. We'll see if it remains that way or not. 300 RST at level 22, and you've got a couple of other Remesis 2 here, the uncommon type as well, and you've got another uncommon type, and you've got the rare type as well. The Acropolis, you've got the rare type here, and you've got another rare type further up as well. So potentially you can merge those two rare ones and get something even more powerful and even a bit more bonus power there as well. And the Crypto Gypt Mirage, you get the normal one, the common one at 770 terahash with 3.2% bonus. So I would definitely keep that just to keep that 3.2% bonus. And you also get the rare one, which is 4.44% bonus attached to that 5.3 petahash. 31 levels in total, and the total amount of power you can get here is 9.3 petahash per second for getting all of those miners. Okay, that's just for the miners, 9.3 petahash per second, and the miner bonuses is 11.4%. Okay, 11.4% attached to the miners. Obviously, if you don't already have them, you're going to get that full 11.4%. Temporary power, you're going to get 1.2 petahash, okay? So there's 900 terahash here, quite, I'd say, early on. There's 300 for 14 days earlier on as well. So between those two, you're making up that 1.2 petahash. Season Pass XP, you're getting 105 experience points there to help you get through those levels to get more rewards for the season. And you even have 385 RST in total, okay? Now this is running, like I said, until the 25th of March. And up here, we can also see that if you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, it's 1000 points. If you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's 350 points. And there was also, for merging and crafting, you will get 3003 points. It's not listed here, but you do get 3003 points for each RLT that you spend when you actually do merges and crafts as well. So that's quite a significant amount. I managed to get through all of mine, as you saw earlier. I did that with a ×18 multiplier. Again, like I did in the previous progression event, I literally flew through it, opening loads of loot boxes, and I actually managed to keep 121 RLT after I actually had deposited 170 RLT. So not too bad. It's like I lost pretty much 50 RLT, but I've gained all those rewards, which definitely cost more than that 70 that I actually did lose, okay? So I just ran through the loot boxes. I was lucky in some instances, got the 50 RLT ones at some points as well. So that actually helped to give me some more boost in my RLT as well. Hopefully you'll be lucky as well and be able to sustain your RLT and actually be able to use it and not actually exhaust it all and won't have any left to get through the entire event. I managed to get through it all in literally 30 minutes, okay? It didn't take me very long. I did actually play some games as well, so I managed to actually build up some of the daily tasks here where you actually play games, like 40 games a day. I haven't done the total 40 yet, but I've done around 22, I believe. I did them quite fast as well. Again, I built that up to the final level before it switches on to the next difficulty, prepared them all, and actually just played them. So then during the multiplier, I actually received more points. And then after that, I started opening up the loot boxes and trying my luck there, which I think I did pretty well overall. So that is pretty much it. The Pharaoh's Legacy, giving you loads of power and bonus power if you manage to get all of those rewards. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.